Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect churros with hot chocolate. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until a smooth dough ball forms. Let it cool slightly before transferring to a piping bag. Now, let's get those churros perfectly crispy. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Once your churros are fried, it's time for the delicious coating. Carefully remove the golden churros from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This sweet and spicy coating is essential for that classic churro flavor. No churro experience is complete without a rich hot chocolate for dipping. In a separate saucepan, whisk together 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of whole milk. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to your desired consistency. Serve this decadent hot chocolate warm with your crispy churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.